Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and opening the camera app. This matters because stabilization and sensor readiness determine final sharpness. Once done, pick photo mode and tap the 3x or 10x marker to engage the telelens, then pinch or tap the zoom ring to move toward 100x. Make sure to remove any obstructing case and steady the phone against a surface. These first steps reduce blur and let the software compute detail for the high zoom range. Once you're near full zoom, refine the zoom slider slowly because digital interpolation intensifies artifacts. Incremental moves preserve clarity. You should then tap the subject to set focus or switch to manual focus to nudge sharpness. Lock exposure when lighting shifts so brightness doesn't recompose mid-shot. Make sure to stabilize the phone with both hands or a tripod and enable optical or digital stabilization if offered, since vibration multiplies at high magnification and the software compensates but needs a steady base. You finish by selecting your capture method. Use a timer or burst to minimize movement during the shutter and prefer RAW or high-res HEIF if you plan to edit. That preserves more detail for sharpening. After taking shots, review at full resolution, and if results are noisy or blurry, step back to a lower zoom and take multiple frames to crop later. This often yields clearer images. One key troubleshooting tip: if images remain soft, lower the zoom and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.